One day, a young man met an old man. The young man told the old man, "Do you remember me?" The old man said, "No, I don't remember you." The young man said, "I was your student and you were my teacher." And the student said, "And I decided to be a teacher." The teacher said, "Oh, and when did you decide to become a teacher?" The young man said, "I decided to be a teacher after something that happened in the classroom with you." The teacher was curious to know what happened. The young man said, "One day I came to a class and one of my friends came to class with me and he was wearing a very nice watch. I wanted that watch so much, so I decided to steal it." Short after that, the student realized that his watch was missing, and he reached to you and said, "My watch was stolen." And then you told us who took the watch should return it to the person. After many requests, the watch was not returned. So you told us to stand and make a big circle because you wanted to search everybody's pocket to find the watch. But the catch was that we should close our eyes. So you searched every one of the pockets of the students until you came to me and you found the watch. You took the watch and then you told us to open our eyes and you returned the watch to the student without telling anything about me to the students. That day was the most shameful day of my life, but you saved my dignity and you kept the secret of not telling anybody about who stole that watch. The teacher smiled and said, "I remember the situation of the watch that was stolen in my classroom. However, I don't remember you because when I told everybody to close their eyes, I was closing my eyes as well when searching in everybody's pockets." Then, by the end of that talk, the student told the teacher, "Now I became a teacher because of you." The moral of the lesson is, sometimes we have to pretend not to notice something and to turn a blind eye to some of the behavior of young people or people in general, because that is going to save their dignity and earn you respect and maybe becomes inspiration for them to pursue a career like a teacher. Have a wonderful day.